Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Douglas Phillips. Douglas Phillips, a baking and pastry instructor in Air, Massachusetts, was crowned Season 5 winner of Holiday Baking Championship. The third finale contestant was Sarah Lucia Taffer, a baker in Miami.
Take our lead.
Of course, the Holiday Baking Championships wasn't actually filmed during the holidays. Jung and her fellow competitors spent 2 weeks in California filming the series, with long days being the norm, shooting from 8 in the morning to 10 at night. Episodes were filmed back-to-back.
Let's help you make your mark.
Juliana Ewing. Food Network announced Champagne's own Juliana Ewing as the winner of the 2020 Holiday Baking Championship, despite being the only home baker this season. Ewing beat out 11 professionals to win the $25,000 grand prize and says she is still in shock.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.